Welcome to Stocksees. Today, we will talk about one of the most iconic and interesting companies in the technology sector, Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. My presentation concerns the analysis of the company's stock, with the aim of examining its strengths, the challenges it faces, and its future prospects. Stay tuned until the end of the video and you won't regret it. Let's get started. Let's start with a brief introduction. Meta is a global leader in social media and digital advertising. Its business is divided into two main areas: the family of apps, which includes Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, and the Reality Labs segment, which focuses on virtual and augmented reality products and technologies. The name change to Meta in 2021 symbolizes the company's shift towards the vision of the Metaverse, but also its intensive investment in new technologies such as artificial intelligence. Turning to the financials, Meta presents a particularly strong picture. The company's revenue has grown impressively in recent years, with digital advertising being the main source of profitability. In the second quarter of 2025, revenue growth reached approximately 22%, exceeding analysts' forecasts. Earnings per share were also higher than estimates, which demonstrates Meta's ability to adapt to a demanding and competitive environment. It is worth noting that the company has a sound financial foundation. It has strong liquidity, low reliance on debt, and significant cash flow, which it uses for share repurchases. This is an indication of management's confidence in the value of the company. However, there are also challenges. The Reality Labs sector, which deals with the development of virtual and augmented reality products, has so far shown large losses and burned capital without yet generating significant revenue. At the same time, huge investments in artificial intelligence infrastructure and data centers are increasing operating costs. To this must be added the intense regulatory pressure. Meta is facing antitrust investigations and lawsuits that may limit its freedom of movement in the future. Also, competition from giants such as Google, Apple, and Microsoft is constant and tough, especially in the field of artificial intelligence. However, the outlook remains positive. Most analysts rate Meta stock as a strong buy. The average price target is around $816, with an upside of around 10% from current levels. There are even more optimistic estimates that predict even greater gains if investments in artificial intelligence and the Metaverse start to bear fruit. From a technical perspective, the stock has been on an upward trend with some corrections, testing critical resistance levels. Market interest remains strong, with significant activity in options, which indicates that investors expect moves in the stock in the near future. To summarize, Meta is a company with a strong financial foundation, a huge market share in social media, and growth prospects through artificial intelligence and new technologies. However, significant risks remain, including high investment costs, regulatory pressures, and uncertainty surrounding the commercial success of the Metaverse. Therefore, Meta's stock can be considered attractive for investors with a medium to long-term horizon who are willing to take the relevant risk. The success or failure of the company's strategy will depend on whether the huge investments in artificial intelligence and augmented reality will be converted into profitable products and services. What is your opinion on Meta? Write me your opinion in the comments. Thank you for following our analysis. Stay tuned to Stocksees to stay informed about the market.